Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mandy. I'm a spiritual life coach, a content creator, and a lover of all things wellness, healthy lifestyle, and workout related. And I feel so excited for today's video. I've created the best bubble butt workout for a round and full booty for y'all. So just before I get into today's workout, I just want to do a little shout out of love again to my friends at Magic Mind and a little update for y'all. I've been sharing with you guys in the last few workout videos that so nice and breezy today, that basically I've been taking these guys. Now it's been about 2 weeks, and every day progressively I've noticed an increase in my clarity, my focus, my energy levels, and just feeling more of serene calmness within. Now I think I understand fully why they call it Magic Mind. Because of the nootropic ingredients, I feel like another benefit that I've noticed personally, being a very spiritual, open person, is that I've noticed a lot of spiritual downloads and creative visions come to me. I think just because of the unique blend of the different ingredients such as bacopa, lion's mane, cordyceps, matcha, all those combination of ingredients really has allowed me to sort of channel my sixth sense even more into this magical little drink. So if you guys want to get your hands on them, I will put a link in the video description below. You can let me know your experience with them as well. Within the next 10 days, if you guys use my link, which is mandy20, you will get 56% off your first subscription. They come in 2-week packs. They literally have the cutest marketing and packaging. It's actually so adorable when you receive them. But what's more important is what's actually in these guys. They also, bonus, make an amazing pre-workout boost, so you can have it before my workouts as well. All right, guys, without further ado, go check them out, and let's get into today's workout.
You withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem, you become like a wall. And every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you? Every Love me like a, love me like a, love me like a stranger. Maybe you're a bird singing for believers, a song meant to be heard, but never meant for preaching. I don't know where you're gonna head off to, but I know that you'll go where your heart's at. You might cross the sea, what will be, wanna make this adventure with you.
Really tried to keep you away from my mind, and I tell you this ain't no lie, but I've done my best to find someone new to give all my time. But all I wanna do is rewind. Oh, I guess that I cannot hide the emotions left inside. I need to stop reminiscing. I still wanna make you feel alright when I'm not. I've been like this from the beginning. I just wanna make you feel alright when I'm not. I need to stop reminiscing. I just wanna make you feel alright when I'm not. I just wanna make you feel alright when I'm not. I still know you inside out. That is why you call me in the night. Oh, and these days when I'm not around, you've done your best to find someone new to give all your time. But all you wanna do is rewind. Oh, I guess that I cannot hide the emotions left inside.
If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead to let me smile from for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't take that. Ain't gonna leave you. Wanna sabotage. You're a million. Explode every time you go and slam the door. Adore how we always end up on the floor. We know how to push the buttons to the core. I've got you. If we think